Hi friends, welcome back to our channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see the first part of the previous year question paper Electrician State Water Transport held on 2016. Then let me go through the questions. Question number 1. Arc heating occurs when the air between electrodes of opposite polarity becomes Option A, moistened. Option B, dry. Option C, ionized. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, ionized. Question number 2. The meter used to measure the temperature of a furnace is Option A, hydrometer. Option B, pyrometer. Option C, hygrometer. Option D, tachometer. Answer is option B, pyrometer. Question number 3. Which part is provided in a battery charger to prevent the flow of excessive current into the battery? Option A, course selector. Option B, time selector switch. Option C, limiting resistance. Option D, transformer. Answer is option C, limiting resistance. Question number 4. What will happen to the filter circuit in battery charger if the output filter capacitor is opened? Option A, will not function. Option B, will make humming noise. Option C, more current will flow. Option D, no output voltage. Answer is option B, will make humming noise. Question number 5. What are the two relative quantities to be plotted for external characteristics curve for DC shunt generator? Option A, field current versus no load voltage. Option B, armature current versus induced EMF. Option C, load current versus terminal voltage. Option D, load current versus induced EMF. Answer is option C, load current versus terminal voltage. Question number 6. What will happen to a self-excited DC generator if the generator runs in reverse direction? Option A, the induced EMF is increased. Option B, there is no change in the induced EMF. Option C, spark will be produced in the commutator. Option D, residual magnetism in the pole will be destroyed. Answer is option D, residual magnetism in the pole will be destroyed. Question number 7. Which is the application of delayed response type diast fuse? Option A, motor circuits. Option B, heating circuits. Option C, lighting circuits. Option D, electronic circuits. Answer is option A, motor circuits. Question number 8. The force between two long parallel conductors is inversely proportional to Option A, current in one conductor. Option B, distance between the conductors. Option C, radius of conductors. Option D, product of current in two conductors. Answer is option B, distance between the conductors. Question number 9. Which of the following circuit elements will oppose the change in the circuit current? Option A, inductance. Option B, resistance. Option C, capacitance. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option A, inductance. Question number 10. The color of light of mercury vapor lamp is Option A greenish blue, option B yellow, option C pink, option D white. Answer is option A greenish blue. Question number 11. Which of the following frequencies has the longest time period? Option A 1 Hz, option B 1 kHz, option C 10 Hz, option D 10 kHz. Answer is option A 1 Hz. Question number 12. In a generator, maximum value of EMF is generated within the coil axis is at option A 45 degree with field axis, option B 90 degree with field axis, option C 180 degree with field axis, option D 0 degree with field axis. Answer is option B 90 degree with field axis. Question number 13. A choke coil of an operating fluorescent lamp is short circuited. What is the consequence? Option A, the lamp becomes brighter. Option B, the lamp becomes less bright. Option C, the current becomes so large that it damages the tube. Option D, the short circuit is noticed only after the lamp is switched on again. Answer is option C. The current becomes so large that it damages the tube. Question number 14. A contactor coil is designed for 220 volt DC. What happens if it is connected to 220 volt AC? Option A. Too large current is drawn by the coil and it is destroyed. Option B. Too small a current is drawn by the coil and the operation of the contactor is no longer certain. Option C. It draws the same current. Option D. It works better. Answer is option B. Too small a current is drawn by the coil and the operation of the contactor is no longer certain. Question number 15. A capacitor is connected across a 200 volt AC line. Its minimum voltage rating should be option A 100 volt, option B 200 volt, option C 300 volt, option D 400 volt. Answer is option C 300 volt. Question number 16. The power factor of three-phase load is less than 0.5 while measuring power by 2 wattmeters. Option A. One of the wattmeters gives 0 reading. Option B. One of the wattmeters gives negative reading. Option C. Both wattmeters give positive reading. Option D. One of the wattmeters kicks backward. Answer is option D. One of the wattmeters kicks backward. Question number 17. Voltage required to operate the neon sign tube depends upon option A. Diameter of the tube, option B. Gases in the tube, option C. Length of the tube, option D. Thickness of the tube. Answer is option C. Length of the tube. Question number 18. Soldering of Britannia joint is a necessity to avoid loosening of the joint due to option A. Vibrations and change in atmospheric temperature, option B. Corrosion due to galvanic action, option C. Corrosion due to atmospheric changes, option D. Overheating. Answer is option A, vibration and changes in atmospheric temperature. Question number 19. The testing of wiring installation for insulation resistance to ensure that. Option A, all conductors have high ohmic values in the circuit. Option B, all outlet points are earthed properly to ground. Option C, leakage current beyond the stipulated value does not flow to earth. Option D, live and neutral conductors in the installation are continuous. Answer is option C, leakage current beyond the stipulated value does not flow to earth. Question number 20. Braking torque in energy meter is produced to. Option A, brake the instrument. Option B, bring energy meter to standstill. Option C, safeguard it against creep. Option D, maintain steady speed and equal to driving torque. Answer is option D, maintain steady speed and equal to driving torque. Question number 21. The scale of dynamometer type wattmeter is of. Option A, uniform scale. Option B, logarithmic scale. Option C, nonlinear scale. Option D, square law scale. Answer is option A, uniform scale. Question number 22. The standard secondary voltage for a power transformer used in power system is. Option A, 1 volt. Option B, 5 volt. Option C, 50 volt. Option D, 110 volt. Answer is option B, 110 volt. Question number 23. Which instrument always indicates true RMS value irrespective of the waveform? Option A, moving iron meter. Option B, digital voltmeter. Option C, thermocouple meter. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, thermocouple meter. Question number 24. A voltmeter gives inaccurate reading to measure the drop across a low resistance because. Option A, the higher scale has been selected. Option B, the current drawn by the meter is too low. Option C, the sensitivity of the meter is too low. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, the sensitivity of the meter is too low. Question number 25. The phase difference between the currents in the two pressure coils in power factor meter is. Option A, approximately 0 degree. Option B, approximately 90 degree. Option C, exactly 0 degree. Option D, exactly 90 degree. Answer is option D, exactly 90 degree.